sitting on chairs.
What is it?
3 little bears sitting on chairs.
3 little bears sitting on chairs?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, there's Goldilocks.
Yeah. What is she doing?
She's sitting on a little bed.
On the little bed?
Once upon a time, there were 3 little bears playing outside. Look at them playing outside.
Mm-hmm.
The papa bear's pushing baby.
On the swing? Yeah.
Yeah, he said, woohoo! And the mama bear. One day, there was a little bear had a little ball, and a large bear had a large ball, and a big bear had a big ball.
Yep.
When Goldilocks came, she looked out the window and see the 3 little bears sitting on chairs. That's what Goldilocks is doing. Oh, this picture. Oh,
You need some help turning the page?
no,
Okay.
I'm fine.
Okay. Now what?
And now she eats the porridge.
She ate the porridge?
Yeah, a little bear's porridge.
And what was little bear's porridge like?
Look at she's eating it.
Was it too hot, too cold, or just right?
And it was too hot and too cold and just right.
Okay.
She's sitting on the, what she's laying on. What she's sitting on.
Is she sitting on a chair or laying on the bed?
Laying on the bed.
Mm-hmm.
What?
So she laid on the big bear's bed and it was too hard.
And she laid on Big Bear's bed and it was too hard. And then she laid on a White Bear's bed but it was too light. And she laid on a Little Bear's bed but it was too little. The papa said, who's eating my porridge? And the White Bear said, who's eating my porridge? And the papa rolled it.
And the little bear said, somebody's been eating my porridge and they ate it all gone.
And the Little Bear said, who's eating my porridge? But it was still gone.
Aw, man. Now what?
Who's been sitting on the chair? And the Big Bear said, who's been laying on my big chair? And the White Bear said, who's been sitting in my White Bear? What the White Bear said.
Mm-hmm.
And the Big Bear said, who's standing laying on my big bed?
Mm-hmm.
And the Little Bear said, who's standing laying on was laying in Little Bear's bed, and Little Bear says, "Oh my gosh, who's been? Oh my gosh, look at sister. I mean." People with Goldilocks,
She's still in my bed.
and she's still in it. Oh no! She's still in it. And Goldilocks scared and she ran away.
She got scared and ran away.
She got scared and ran away.
Mm-hmm.
And she ran into the forest.
She ran into the forest?
Yeah.
Yes, she did.
Yeah.
Did she ever come back and go into somebody's house?
And the little bear and the white bear and the big bear was looking at the window and the little bear,
And they never saw Goldilocks again.
and they never saw Goldilocks again.
Nope.
The end. Do you like that story?
Loved it. Thank you.
Don't we will pigs now?
Should we read Three Little Pigs? Sure.